Part 2.0, I guess you can call this. I don't know. This is my Mickey Mouse TV. And I did it. I put a new picture tube inside of it. I had to take the comb off, discharge it, and watch the thing spark a little bit. That was the other TV that did it. No, it was this one, yeah. Pair the ground wire. Change the comb because I had a different kind of plug, which is down there. Pull the yellow and blue wire sticking out of it. You feel the static out that. It's a little weird. Yeah, be touching that. It's gonna probably kill me. So yeah, having some issues still, but I'm happy what I see. And I played games on it earlier, and it's looking good. Working pretty good. I keep leaving the fridge door open. My fault to close the second. I was really thirsty. I just kept grabbing a water bottle and chugging it. Okay, so that's the TV I took it out of. The one that was sitting there. One's all busted up. That is the tube that is burnt that says video in the corner. It has lines on it. That's the one from the other tube, the comb, which should slide. I don't know why that's not. I think it's stuck in place already. I just put it on here earlier for show. Whatever. And that also slides and moves. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I had to take this off from the other one and swap them. So now, when I have free time, I'm just using this like a project TV or test TV, and basically put that one back together and use it as parts only, basically. So it's still good, just a little burnt, this tube. And there we go. So a piece plugs into there, power goes into there, that goes onto the board, ground gets connected up to here also, and that's really it for a TV. So that's my parts one now, which that's going to be part of. That's the back of Mickey Mouse. I'll put it together after I want to show my family. That is the back of the other one there, and that's the new one I got from the neighbor. So video out, and it works pretty good. Well, bye for now. Thanks for watching. I'm dead tired. I close the fridge door. Here's my tripod I was using all night. This is how I had to take apart Mickey Mouse because the screws are so far deep. I have to make my own extended screwdriver. That's pretty fun. So yeah, everything worked out perfectly. I didn't get zapped or shocked. A little bit tingly, but I've had worse. I got electrocuted from a radio really bad one time. Twice, I think. Okay. That's dirt from my hands right there. I can wipe that off. Yeah, so really happy how it turned out. Bye for now. Good morning, good night, wherever you are, and I need some sleep. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.